We are back. Problem number 15, probability for the proficiency exam, for algebra exam, whichever works for you. A donut display case has 6 glazed, 3 chocolate, and 3 sugar donuts. The customer randomly selects 3 donuts without replacement. What is the probability of choosing 2 glazed donuts and 1 sugar donut? Okay, and let's go back to this without replacement statement here. Nice rhyme, right? Replacement statement. Because that is very important in regard to which and what our probability value will be. Besides that, we have to, and we're looking for 2 glazed donut and 1 sugar, right? So our expected events here will be to have 1 glazed, right, plus another glazed, plus 1 sugar. Call me honey, right? So these are our 3 expected events. I want to get a glazed without replacement, another glazed without replacement, and last, I need to get 1 sugar donut, obviously without replacing the first 2 of them. So you're looking at 3 different events, right? And for each one of you, you have to find the probability of getting the first glazed. What is the probability of getting your first glazed? Well, the probability of getting a glazed donut will be the number of possible glazed donuts in my display case here, which is 6. Out of how many possible donuts I have, what is the total number of donuts in that display case? I got 6 plus 3, 9, plus 3, 12, right? So I have 12 possible donuts. Only 6 of them are glazed, which means the probability of getting the first glazed will be 1/2. Good. Second step, I'm looking to find what is the probability to get the second glazed, right? So glazed again, but we know now that instead of having 6 glazed, I will have only 5 because 1 is gone, right? So there are only 5 glazed left. Out of how many? Without replacement, out of 11, okay? And you cannot simplify, that's the probability of getting your second donut, a glazed one. Last one, sugar donut, right? My third expected outcome, expected event, favorable outcome if you want, will be to get sugar. How many sugar I have? Well, because the first one and the second one supposedly were glazed, I still have 3 sugar donuts inside. Out of how many donuts the total now? Well, out of 10, right? Because I already had the 2 donuts, the 2 glazed ones, which were not replaced. And now the question is, what is the probability of getting all these 3 events in the given order, right? So I'm looking for glazed plus sugar. And this will be given by the probability of getting a glaze multiplied by the probability to getting a second glaze multiplied by the probability to get a sugar one. And we're looking at what? Well, I shouldn't probably simplify this one, right? Because if you're looking at your possibilities of an answer, each one of them starts with 6/12, right? So the first one, 6/12, which we know is 1/2. The second one will be 5/11, right? Times 5/11. And this allows me to eliminate A and B, right? And even C. I could have actually stopped after the second one because D is the only one that has 5/11 as the second glazed donut probability. But anyway, the answer here will be 6 over 12 times 5 over 11 times 3 over 10. Option D, and this is how you solve a similar problem on the proficiency exam or on whatever math test you're taking. All right? Thank you, guys.